while leaders have started gathering at Ajit Pawar's residence in Devgiri, we are here at MET where the meeting is going to take place at 11, and I have with me Sanjay Tatkare who is present. Please tell us what is the preparation for the meeting that is going on here.
See, this is a first meeting after Ajit Dada has taken over as Deputy CM in Maharashtra. So he wants to have a dialogue with all his supporters from Maharashtra, and that's why we have gathered here.
You know, all the MLAs have already started gathering at Devgiri. What is the plan there? Is there any meeting that's taking place? How will it pan out?
They will come together here with Ajit Dada and all the leaders. So they will come here in a convoy, and then the meeting will start. So there is nothing special about it.
So here in the meeting, how many MLAs, MLCs, MPs are expected to come?
That we feel that this is an NCP gathering, and all MLAs are expected here. Let's see how many turn up.
Is this a kind of a show of strength, Sunil Tatkare? Because we are seeing that both the sides are in some sense flexing their muscles.
But there are no both sides. Pawar Sahib is still our leader. Ajit Dada has taken a position, and we feel that is the correct position, and let's see. Time will tell who turns up where.
Okay, so this was Sunil Tatkare talking about Sanjay Tatkare who was talking about the preparations that are going on here. We are here at MET. Let us try and show you around what are the preparations that are going on. The chairs have been laid out. Hundreds of karyakartas are expected to turn up here. Right now we are seeing that the stage is already set for the meeting that is going to start at 11. We are seeing that the photos of Sharad Pawar, Ajit Pawar, Praful Patel, Chhagan Bhujbal, Sunil Tatkare have all been put on stage. Quite clearly, the missing photos, as you can imagine, are the photos of Priya Swain and Jayant Patil. So that is how the preparations of the party meeting are going on here. Huge TVs have been set up and screens have been set up on both the sides so that party workers who gather here will be able to see the action. There is no split in the party. In fact, even yesterday when we were speaking to Praful Patel, that is exactly what Praful Patel also said, that there was no split, that there was only one party, and that Ajit Pawar had said that Sharad Pawar will continue to be the party president, national president, and that Sunil Tatkare has been appointed as the state president. I have with me Chhagan Bhujbal, who has also been sworn in the Maharashtra cabinet recently. Sir, Praful Patel, while speaking to me yesterday, said that there was no split in the party. The speaker also said there is no split. How is this all progressing?
Absolutely, there is no split in the party. We are the members of the Nationalist Congress Party.
Sir, but yesterday Sharad Pawarji said that his photos should not be put at a time when his orders are being violated. How do you see that statement?
We take him as our guru, and we have love for him. That's why we have put his photo on the banner. That's all. But you are seeing so many thousands of people have gathered here. They are all office bearers of the party from the various districts and the cities. We are not forcing them to sign. You can go and see. They are coming on their own. They are signing the affidavit. Going on.
So, the whole idea that you all have been saying, that Ajit Pawar has been talking about, you have been talking about, and yesterday Praful Patel also told me in his interview, is that, democratically, majority of the party is with you all.
Is with us.
So, is there any possibility that this will go in front of the Election Commission or in front of the Speaker with disqualification petitions being filed?
If they go other side of my party, we will also go, we will face it.
So, do you see the party coming together as one out of all of this, or do you see this as Shiv Sena Part 2?
No. If Pawar Sahib and those fellows who have grabbed him, they give another thought, and if they agree, so many people of our Nationalist Congress Party or here, they may consider, they may call us, and they may give us the blessings.
Will the process of convincing those who are still not on board continue from your side?
No, it's okay. It's not in a one day it is all happened. The months to go together is going on. It's not
So
a one fine morning we just got up and joined the government. It's not that.
Okay, thank you. So this was Chhagan Bhujbal in an elaborate interview to CNN News 18. A big catch to get. He's one of the prominent OBC voices in Maharashtra. He's one of the loyalists of Sharad Pawar, who had told him when all these meetings were going on in Devgiri, who had told Sharad Pawar that whatever is happening is not right and that he will go meet Ajit Pawar and look into it. And thereafter we saw him not just in Raj Bhavan but also taking oath of office. So that was Chhagan Bhujbal, an extremely important voice right now in the Maharashtra cabinet, a tall OBC leader, somebody who jumped over from the Shiv Sena to the NCP and who is being considered as a loyalist of Sharad Pawar, giving extremely important hints saying that, the majority of the party continues to be with them and that is why this cannot be considered as a split in the NCP.